Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Toyota 2021 key fob used for Toyota Venza, Rav4. This is a brand new one, Venza, but also fits different models. The battery you will need is CR2450. You can click on the link below to get it online, and let me show you let me show you how to do it. So first, what we have to do, we have to take the emergency key out. We do that by pulling this button right here to the right and pulling the key out, okay, like that. Once again, pull the button, and we pull the key. Now I'll show you this with a screwdriver. There is a slot right here. Okay, this one. What we do, we take the emergency key, we put it in the slot, and we turn clockwise, very gently, no need to apply a lot of force, and clockwise, okay? Once again, take the key into the slot, in between, and you turn clockwise, and it opens. Okay, as I said, the battery you will need CR2450. Okay, now it may fall, that's okay, don't worry about it, just make sure you don't touch the electronics. Now what we do, we have to take the battery out. So what I do, take a flathead, small flathead, and as you can see right here underneath, and once again I turn clockwise, okay? Very gently, very easy. Once again, right here, underneath, and take the battery out, okay? Now we're good to go. This is a good battery, so I will use it again. To replace the battery, first you put the bottom part, okay? First, down, and you press. Once again, take the battery. Bottom part first, you apply pressure. That's it. Now put the cover back, make sure everything clicks. Put back the emergency key and check the battery, and as you can see, all good. Let us know what you think. Thank you very much.